Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 7 and let me show you how to change the language on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick additional settings and then go to languages and input. Click on languages and as you can see here you've got a wide list of languages, so everyone will find something suitable. Let me pick for example Croatian and that's it. As you can see immediately after that your device is in Croatian. Everything is changed. And then if you'd like to go back to English or change the language one more time, you just have to select more settings one more time, pick language and input, go to languages and select for example language or some other English or some other language, the one that you would like to apply. So this is it. As you can see now we are back in English and this is how you can quickly and easily change language in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.